Alright, so here for example 2, we have a multiple choice, which is great. And what we're going to have to do is you're going to have to use the distributive property to factor 7u squared t squared plus 21ut squared minus ut, or ut. So if we start off with a 7u squared t squared plus 21ut squared minus ut, first thing you want to do is you want to look at your coefficients. So I have a 7 here, a 21, and I have a 1 right here. So if I have a 1, that means you're not going to be able to take anything out, because the only thing 1 has in common with anything else is a 1. So numbers we don't have to worry about. Now variables, we're going to have to look at our u's. We have a u squared, a u, and a u. The most amount of u's you can take out would just be 1. You can take out 1 u from each of these. And then finally, we can also look at the t's. We have a t squared, and a t. The most amount of t's we have in common, we have 2 here, 1 here. The most we have in common is just 1. So if we want to take out an ut, we're going to need to just divide all this and find out what's left over. So we obviously can mark out A and D as a potential answer. So we have an ut here and an ut here. So let's see what else we get. So we know we're going to have a 7 u t plus 21. The u's cancel. We have a t squared over t, which is just t, minus, now if you take u divided by u, those cancel, t divided by t, those do not just make a 0. Remember, if you were to take 5 divided by 5, that doesn't equal 0, it equals a 1. Same thing with variables. If you take a u divided by u, even though they cancel each other out, you still get a 1. So do not make this a 0. Make sure you make that a 1. So your solution should be ut times everything that's left over, 7ut plus 21t minus 1. These three terms do not have anything in common, so that means you are finished.